Yo, it looks like a jet. Basically, what? Explosion. You after so put the caption like you after eating Taco Bell. Just need to get it right. Oh, that was weird. Huh. Did not know that Amber Island's on the same higher level as Gold Island. So Kate and I can go there easily. Oh no, another cough! Another cough! Let's go. That's worth nothing. Where my hundo diamonds? Not relics are. I definitely need relics. Oh my god, that was so close. This is a lie. This is a lie that I have to deal by spinning the wheel every single time when I go to play my singing monster. Thank you for giving me a refund. Yeah, I definitely need for that I definitely need that for my Thermind, so I can teleport it to Magical Sanctum. Spinning. More food. Oh my god. More food. Jesus. This is enough for my, tow driver to get the level 20, I think. And just more relics. I think this might be my final speed, but I really want to upgrade my hotel. You know what, I'm doing that. I'm spending all my diamonds. No! If I get that chest again, or another... Oh, so close. Okay, so this is gonna be my last 2 diamonds. Oh no, another go! Please, 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 here's my purse. Oh. Oh, you see it right now, bro. Bruh. Psycho Island makes that much. It's my most giving island. Wait. What did I just see right there? What did I just saw right there? Oh, okay. That was like it. This island is not very much because I don't have a rift. Rare Robux. Three rare. Three rares. And this is how much it makes. That's 2 times more than every single island that I have that has monsters. And so far, I only have Catalyst on my mythical island. When are you going to be done? I should have used my diamonds on these, since I literally have a rare Embrat. But yeah, that's 2 times than my plant island. That is shocking. The Wordles make so much when they're level 10. Or even more if they're level 15, but you can teleport them to Gold Island. I wish you can teleport Wordles to Gold Island, because that would be really good if Gold Island had lyrics. Bottle, another fur corn in here. The Fruity Pebble. Taste the rainbow. I don't know. Wait a minute. I have a bunch of food. Oh, wait. I'm going. Okay, not bad. Right. Bake the turkey. With how much my plant island makes, I can bake another turkey. New collect my favorite monsters is money dipsters. We're not say I can have your dipsters. No, I'm not getting rid of my dipsters. Sugar Bush. Wait, where's my fourth bakery? Oh wait, there it is. Right next to the Bogarts and the rare Robux. They are identical, but one is bigger and one is smaller. Yeah, boy. I want him on Gold Island. Okay, this should give me enough food to get. Which monster should I get to teleport? Wait, I might have enough for... Okay, I might have enough for my... like, the light monster. Flower. Nope. The flower. My brain cells. Glass. Yeah. Nope. Okay, she's level 11 now. I'll see you guys tomorrow on my birthday and the Q&A. That's goodbye to me. And that's also goodbye to everyone else in the city.